This video we're going to concentrate on the bean stitch. Now the bean stitch is a trending stitch and it's very similar to the puff stitch, but the very starting of it is different and it's easier to actually do this stitch than it is the puff stitch. So let's just say we want to start our bean in the next one. So with normal puff stitching we would wrap the hook first and then going in. With the bean stitch you were simply just gonna go into the next stitch and pull through. Then 2 more times you're going to wrap the hook going into the same stitch, pull through and hold it, and then you are going to wrap the hook again into the same stitch and pull through. So what you can just do then is just pull through all of this group here, but don't go through the final. So just pull through the group and you got 2 stitches left and you're gonna pull through. This will cause the stitch to lie on its side, unlike a puff stitch. So let's just say we're gonna do it again. So let's follow. So you're gonna go in, pull through, so I didn't wrap it first, and then yarn over, same stitch, pull through, and then yarn over, same stitch, pull through. You're gonna yarn over and pull through this group first. Okay, and then yarn over and pull through the final 2. And that would be how you would do a puff stitch, or sorry, a bean stitch. Now normally what would happen is that in this, if you ever had to work with this puff stitch on top, that you'll see you usually go into these stitches right here on top. So this would be how you do the bean stitch.